Did you know a man stole 60 million pounds, vanished completely, and then got caught because he missed his car? Valerio Vice was already a wanted armed robber when he landed in London in 1986. He needed money. He had a plan. He walked into the Knightsbridge Security Deposit Center as a customer, rented a box, and came back with an accomplice. They pulled guns, overpowered the staff, and opened the vault from the inside. 60 million pounds in cash and jewels, gone in hours. Vici fled to South America under a new identity and lived freely for years. No one could touch him, but he had left something behind. A Ferrari Testarossa, sitting in England, registered in his name. Investigators knew about the car. They watched it and waited. And then Vici made the decision that ended everything. He flew back to collect it. Police arrested him the moment he arrived. He had beaten every investigator assigned to his case. He just couldn't beat his own attachment to a car.